is no problem if you want to use soap on your face, but know the kind of soap that you use, okay? Because for me, I use soap on my face. I prefer using soap because I have used both facial wash and I have used soap, and I have come to the conclusion that soaps are better for me than facial wash. These are my reasons. One, soaps penetrate deeply into my oily skin to bring out dirt and impurities, to bring out oil from my skin. I feel like when I use soap, I have a clear glowing skin as compared to when I use my facial wash. And lastly, I feel like when I'm using my facial soap, it helps keep acne away from my face. So those are my reasons for choosing soap. But some of you use just any soap on your face. There are some soaps that you are not supposed to use on your face. Example are these soaps you're seeing right now. You're supposed to use a soap that have a certain pH level that will be suitable with the pH level of your face. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 amazing face soap that you can use. Now remember that these soap are not only for your face. You can also use this soap for your body. They will cleanse your skin, give you a clear glowing face. So guys, let's dive right into this video. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here again. I want to take you on a ride on how to have a clear glowing skin with 4 amazing soaps. Starting up strong is the Dove soap. This is my Dove soap. Like when something is good, you buy more than one, right? So this soap is a very good soap. It is a 3-in-1 soap that cleanses, moisturizes and nourishes the skin. This soap will deeply moisturize your skin. It will nourish it, and it's also very good in cleansing your skin. It will deeply penetrate into your skin to bring out dirt and impurities from your skin. And what I like most about this Dove soap is that when you use it, it's as if you're using a lotion on your skin because it is so mild and gentle to the skin. It doesn't strip off your natural oil. It's so creamy. This soap is a very good soap that Dove produced. I don't know how they did it, but this soap is the soap that I use 90% of the time on my face, especially in the mornings. This is what I use, especially in the mornings, because this soap is so calm and gentle to my skin. So if you're looking for something that you can use, instead of using those ones that are causing acne and darkening your skin, get this one. This is the Dove Beauty Cream Bar. It will not darken your skin. It will just moisturize, deeply penetrate into your skin to nourish your skin. It is a very good soap. You can use it to clean off makeup from your skin. It cleanses very well, deeply penetrate into your skin to bring out oil and dirt from your skin. And this soap goes for 2,500. It is not too expensive and you can use it for up to 1 month. Let me show you how it looks like inside. This is how it looks like inside. So this is the Dove Cream Bar soap. I will highly recommend that you get it. Okay, second soap on my list is this Ashante 2-in-1 soap. This is the one that I use every day in the evenings. This is the Ashante 2-in-1 soap. If you've been following this channel for quite some time now, you will know that I use this soap both on my body and on my face. Yes, this is my body soap. This is my face soap. It is sold for 2,000 naira to 2,500 depending on where you're getting it from. Now this soap is made up of papaya and carrot. This soap is a lightening soap. It will lighten your skin. If you have dark patches on your skin, use this soap. If you have discoloration, acne scars on your face that have refused to go away, use this soap. Okay, this soap is very good. It is the 2-in-1 soap from Ashante. It is an extra whitening bar soap, but it doesn't whiten the skin. It's only lightening your skin to give you a very radiant and a supple skin. Now what I do is that I use the Dove in the morning, and in my evening routine I use this Ashante bar soap. The reason why I use this soap just in the evenings alone is that I feel like it is too active for me to use it in the morning because I'll go out and walk in the sun. So I use it in the evening so that it will work very well and it will not hurt my skin. And immediately I come out of my bathroom, I use my face serum and moisturizer. I do that because I do not want this soap to strip off my natural oil from my skin, because this soap can actually strip the natural oil from your skin. This Ashante 2-in-1 soap is my second soap that I recommend for you to use on your face if you want a clear glowing face that is void of dark spot, dullness and flakiness. get this soap. It is very, very effective. Hi guys, if you have watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button, put on the notification bell, and do not forget guys to leave a comment, like this video. Thank you so much. All right guys, let's move on to the odogu of them all, which is the Kojie San soap. This Kojie San soap is a lightening soap. Now let me put you clear on something. You don't use this soap every day. I had dark spot on my skin and I wanted something to clear it so fast, so I used this Kojie San soap. This Kojie San soap is a super lightening soap that you do not use every day. The reason why you do not use this soap every day is because it contains kojic acid, which is an active ingredient. So you do not use products like this every day. You will use them 3 times in a week. Okay, if you want something that will give you a clear glowing face, use Kojie San soap. It is a skin lightening soap for a lighter and even skin tone. If you want a lighter face, you want an even skin tone, use this soap. If your face is darker than the other part of your body, use this soap. It will give you a lighter face. It will make your skin on your face and on your body to be even. I recommend this soap. It is very effective. As a matter of fact, this soap can lighten your face in 7 days. It is that active, but please do not use it every day, because if you use it every day, you will damage your skin barrier. All right, guys, if you feel that this soap is too active, this soap is too strong, you cannot use it, use this Kojie white soap. This is the Kojie white soap. It contains gluta papaya and arbutin. This soap is also a kojic acid soap, but it is mild as compared to this. Okay, so this is a Kojie 4-in-1 Kojie white gluta papaya arbutin soap. This soap is a very good soap. If you have used this soap before, you will know that this is a very good soap. You can use this soap on your face and on your body. Very effective. It will lighten your skin because it contains active ingredients like kojic acid, it contains arbutin, it contains glutathione, and it also contains papaya. Like, this soap is loaded. It is a 4-in-1 soap that will clear dark spot, pigmentation and blemishes on your skin, and just give you a radiant, glowing and a supple skin. So if you feel like this soap is too high on kojic acid, you want something that is mild, use this one. It will work the same way as the Kojie San soap will work. This soap too is capable of lightening your face in 7 days. So if you want something like, maybe you have an occasion you want to attend and you want something that will really lighten your face very fast, use any of these soaps. Okay, any of these soaps are very good to lighten your face very fast. But remember that this soap, they can strip the natural oil of your skin. So if you're using any of these soaps, remember to always moisturize your face immediately you come out of your bathroom. Okay, now here are some tips that I have for you if you're using bar soap. The first tip is that you should cut this soap into pieces and use piece by piece on your face. This will enable the soap to last longer, and it will also allow the soap to be effective, because if you use the whole bar soap on your face, it will start washing off and the ingredient will wash up also. Due to the presence of water around your bedroom, it will wash off the soap and then it will make the soap less effective. Okay, and lastly, what you should do if you're using a bar soap on your face is that you should moisturize and use the sunscreen immediately, because most of these bar soap, the pH level in the soaps are more than the one that is on our skin. So if you do not do that fast, it will strip your face of the natural oil that your face has, and then it will make your sebaceous gland to produce excess oil. That is what leads to acne and pimples on our skin. Okay, so guys, will you be using any of these soaps? These are my 4 top picks for brightening bar soaps that you can use to have a brighter, clearer, smoother and a healthy face. Okay, will you be trying any of these? If you'll be trying any of this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys, thank you. I am grateful. Do have a fantastic time. Bye.